Lyle, you're going to start with the, not the skinny one. You're going to start with the fat one.
Wait for Clara.
Wait for Clara.
Hang on. Can I take off my ribbon?
Yeah.
Clara, ask for help.
Yeah.
Aim, stop!
No.
Clara,
don't
use
have
them
to.
like a normal pair of scissors.
Good.
Wait,
Is she opening the fat one or the skinny one first?
Same as you, fat one.
Okay.
This one? Can I look at this one?
Nope.
Wait for...
Ava's fat.
Ava, you can hold it, but you're not going
You
to
can hold
open
it,
it.
but don't open it.
Hold it. Don't open it.
And
Get the scissors, Clara. They're right beside you.
Thank you.
Again.
Thank you for someone inventing it.
That one first.
Got a 7 on it.
It's got a C on it. Mine's got a C. Can I open mine?
Not yet, Ava.
Yours got a...
Right there, but before you open it up. You'll never get it from the outside. It's a box inside a box.
Where's the scissors? Where's the scissors?
Wait.
What's funnier?
Where's the scissors?
I know!
Touch. Oh, yeah! Sweet! Awesome!
Say, watch your hands, please.
Watch it, ladies.
It's definitely not an iPod.
Say that.
Oh! It's an iPad mini!
Better watch your scissors in there, kiddo.
Holy crap! Holy!
My Mimi! My Mimi finally came!
Ava, you can open up this little skinny one now.
Can I open mine?
Oh, the little skinny ones. iPod touches.
No.
Oh, God! Oh, God, we're lucky this
Sarah,
time.
will you open up mine, please? How'd you get yourself on me, please?
Sick! Oh, my God! Sick!
Clear it.
Sick!
No, it's for me.
Ava, it's for Lila's iPad mini. Do you need help, Clara?
No, I got mine.
Thank you so much.
Like the Fake Tree Academy.
I could really use the scissors.
Clara, do you need some help?
No.
Hey, Bug. No trips to the ER on Christmas morning, please.
You actually won't get a trip to the ER.
Ava, let Clara do it, okay?
Thanks so much, Clara.
No problem.
Thanks a lot.
Where's my iPad? Can I have my iPad?
Why don't you, Clara, why don't you take it out of the box and look at the back of the iPad?
Back of the iPad.
Yeah, that's the back of the box.
Oh, sick! We got a charger!
What's this?
Thingy.
Clara, read the back of the iPad. What's it say?
Merry Christmas. Woo! It says Merry Christmas, Lila loves Mom and Dad.
What? It stays there?
What does it say?
It says Merry Christmas, Lila.
Oh, Merry Christmas, Lila. Sick, I got 2.
You got 2?
Yeah. This one and that. Woo! It's on! It's charged!
What the?
Why don't you put your cover on, Lila?
Sick!
Oh my god, I can't get my thing
What's
out.
this?
That's the charger.
Oh. Yeah, that's my
I can't get my...
Just one moment.
Sick!
Boogie, that one's probably an orange cover.
Yeah! Super gamer! Sweet! This is awesome.
I'm going to brag it to all my classmates that I got an iPad mini and they did it! Woo!
No, yeah, it's orange.
Ava, can you wait for Lila to have a turn? It's special.
Oh, I don't want to break my cover. Claire, is yours orange?
Yeah. It's pinkish orange.
Can I see?
I think it's red.
Ta-da, done.
Oh yeah, it is red. Ava, come
We'll
on.
make an orange one.
Mommy! What are you doing? Mine's not on.
Look.
Mine's not on.
Then you better turn it on.
I am.
No.
I'm
Bring
hitting.
your hand
Oh,
so you. Yeah, remember?
I hit it this button.
Yep.
Maybe it doesn't have battery.
No, it does. Bring it here, I'll show you.
Hey.
Watch out, Mommy.
Turn on.
Can you still smell that?
Oh, like really turn it on? Mine, I just had to hit the button.
Yeah.
Mine's dead. Thank you so much, Daddy. And Mommy.
Mommy, can you hold on the bike? Mommy, can you
you
hold
okay?
on the bike?
Smack it
I
with your
thought.
hand.
The first injury with an iPad mini.
I'm smacking it by your head.
Are you okay, Mommy? You okay?
I don't
Hey, you know
want
what?
my
Now we
friend
can use this too. Lala, can I see yours? What is that? What that is?